Let's answer simple question. What is IJMB? IJMB means Interim Joint Matriculation Board. It's a program moderated by AB Zaria and Ahmadu Bello University. It's a 1-year program. It's a program that once you do it and pass it, you will combine the results, the IJMB results, with direct entry form that is obtainable from JAMB portal, and use it to apply to the university of your choice. And once you gain admission, it's into 200 level. So if you are doing IJMB program, it's as if you are in 100 level. The program is an intensive one. It's full-time program. Monday to Friday is lecture for everyone. So it's intensive, and everything is supervised, moderated by AB Zaria. It's 100% approved from Nigerian University Commission (NUC). So, and it has been existent since 1974, if I'm not mistaken. So even before JAMB, it has been existent. So most of those people who actually went to school all this way, most of them, I can say 50% would be aware of IJMB. So it's not a new program at all, but I'm sure most of you have never had. So many people are doing it, so many people rely on it, many people use it as backup, so you can use it for anything. Some people depend it 100%, some people use it as backup, and some people, of course, and it does not stop you from writing JAMB. So that is just it. So if you fail JAMB, it's not everybody that is not even everybody that passed JAMB actually gain admission. So it's always good to, as you are registering for IJMB, be registering for JAMB. As you are registering for JAMB, be registering for IJMB. So once you are doing the program now, you'll be doing 3 subjects. Of course, it's splitted into AB, into 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, depending on the department you find yourself. And you can study any course with it. For example, your subject combination, the course you want to study at the university will determine the subject combination. For example, those who want to study law now will be doing literature, will be doing government and CRS or IRS. Those who want to study medicine and surgery will be doing biology, chemistry and physics. And that is it throughout the program. So the program runs between June to June. Exam is only June, July. So, and you have to register far before that time to avoid being late. So, and those people who are if you are in JSS3 now, you can register for it immediately. You are through with your WAEC and NECO, you resume. If you are writing JAMB now, you can register for it, but if you are in JSS2, you cannot register. And you must be 16 before you register, because now the minimum age to university admission is 16 years. So if you are registering for IJMB, you must be 16. So that by next year, if you are registering for IJMB, you must be 15. So that by next year, if you want to apply, you are already 16. So that is how it works. So you must be 15 now. Minimum age is 15 to do IJMB, because you must be at least 16 before you gain admission to university. I hope that clear. So if you are 15, if you are in JSS3, if you are writing JAMB, it's for you. And there are many centers. There are many IJMB centers nationwide. I'm speaking from Ilorin. We have Ibadan. We have Abuja, we have Lagos centers, we have Warri, Asaba, we have Anambra, we have Enugu, we have many locations. So when you are registering on the portal that we created, you can select the center you want that is closer to you. And most of these centers have accommodation facility, which is optional. The fees for IJMB with us is averagely 358,000 naira. And this fee can be paid on installment, so that it's not that you need to pay it once. So that is what IJMB is all about. And to register, please visit ijmb.com.ng and register, and you will like it. Thank you. My name is Michael Egundayo, and I will see you at the very top.